Turkeys just came down from the roost and came directly to my front door. But there's a snowstorm coming today. If the snow would have hit late last night, they probably would have stayed in the trees. They never would have came down. This turkey here has a hurt leg. He's been limping for a couple weeks. Okay, guys. They're looking for black oil seeds and some bird seeds and scratch grain. Come on, guys. Come on, follow me. This way. Here you go. Come on. Alrighty. I'll put up another video later, see how much snow we get. Bye.